Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My today's video's topic is how we can attach zip in our pant Plazzo side zip in very easy and a simple way without any kind of difficult steps. You can sew it. So for that I am taking two strips and one zip. So mine zip length is around 7 inch. So I have cut it from the bigger zip because I didn't get the same color in a small zip. That's why I took that, and my length would be 7 inch of my zip, and I mark around 6.5 inch over here because it would be my ready zip length, and this one is the extra part. So I have already taken 1.5 inch strips in a double fold strip, that is 1.5 inch in a width wise, and its length is 9 inch because 9 inch is more than enough. And now I'm going to cut the extra fabric. So for the zip attachment I am taking the front side of my pant, and this is the left side of my pant. We always attach the zip on the left side. So from the top I am taking 7 inch because half inch would be less in a seam allowance, and on the back side I also marked the 7 inch. And the second step is we have to join our front and back side part from the bottom. We are going to do the seam on the side, the left hand side, for the zip attachment. Firstly I will give a seam over here. Till this mark we have to stitch it out, and then we will attach the zip. Just give a proper seam over here. Leave 1/4 inch margin in a seam allowance, not more than 1/4 inch and not less than 1/4 inch over here. It would be exactly, but not exactly, but near about the 1/4 inch margin. So till that mark we have already stitched it out. We have to lock our stitch and then cut the extra thread. After cutting this, so this is my front part over here, we have to attach a strip first. So this is my double folded strip. We will give a single fold, remove the fold over here and settle on the fabric. Right side would be the facing on the right side and upperward is the wrong side. We have to give a stitch on the wrong side and then we have to fold to the right side. So give a stitch. You have to be careful over there that where we have already given a stitch here, you have to give a stitch nearby your already given stitch, not on the fabric, and not give a more and enough gap in this stitch. Otherwise your finishing will not be good and zip will not exactly the same what you want. So now I have already ironed it and settled the fabric, or you can nail it like this and set it out. So this is the stitch which I am going to show you. So now you have to fold the fabric to the back side and give a stitch near about the already given stitch. not on the stitch, just near about the given stitch. Only 1 foot margin we have to give over here. And now we have to trim the extra fabric, because this strip will be fold over here and we have not required this extra fabric. Now just press it out and then fold your fabric. Now we have to take the right side of our zip and fold from the first seam like this. We have to fold the first seam over here. If you are beginner, then you can give a loose stitch over here, or you can pin it out with the zip and then stitch. Place your fabric on the zip and covered till the middle. You have to set it like this so that your zip will cover till the middle. No need to be hurry over here. Just be calm and set the fabric and then give a stitch. Just fold it equally and then give a stitch nearby the zip, not on the zip, and not also give the extra margin. Just you can use single foot over here if you are facing difficulty with the double foot. Now this is our edge part. Over here we have to lock our stitch, give a stitch 2 to 3 times over here, and normally fold the fabric over here. And just give a simple stitch nearby the zip, not on the zip, just nearby the zip, so that the zip will not covered or it will not make a difficulty to sew. So my zip is ready now. So this is the back side of my zipper part. We have completely finished the first side and now we are going to finish the another side. You can leave it like this, otherwise you can sew it with the extra fabric we are going to attach over here. Fold the strip. This is my cotton fabric, otherwise you are using the another fabric which leaving lots of threads, then you can just fix it the thread first and fold the fabric and make a all sided covered strip. After that then you can join this. So now place the strip over here downwards to the zip. On the another side where we have not give the extra fabric for the covering the zip, it would be on the downside. And now we are going to start stitch from the down part, that is our bottom part of the zip. Just lock the stitch 2 to 3 times over here. And now make a stitch on the already given stitch. Just give a stitch on the already given stitch. Don't make 2 to 3 and 4 lines, different lines, because it will not look so good and not look so finished. So just open the zip to easy your work. And now give a stitch and done that. So cut the extra fabrics, cut the extra threads over here. So just open and close your zip 1 to 2 times so that it you can find out it's not stucking anywhere. So this is the final part of my zip. On the back side, I just folded the strip towards the zip because I have cut it from the long one and it may be irritate. So just fold the strip over here, make the 2 and 3 lines of stitching so that it would be covered nicely. And this is the front side of my zip. Just opened it up and closed it up for the betterment, and so you can see zip is not showing anywhere. So guys, this is my final look of my zip, which we have already shown to you. And when you are opening it, it would be look like this. This is the back side of this, and this is our extra cloth for not showing our body parts. So guys, if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you have any queries or any doubts, you can ask me in a comment section. I will definitely reply you. So see you guys with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my videos.